Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Change Will Do You Good. We'll start by breaking down the essential chords you'll need for the main parts of the song. Then, we'll explore a simple yet effective strumming pattern that truly brings the song to life. Finally, I'll share some valuable practice tips to help you confidently play this fantastic Sheryl Crow hit. Get ready to make some music. Let's dive into the essential chords for A Change Will Do You Good. You'll primarily use F major, C minor, B flat major, and C major. For guitarists, placing a capo on the first fret can make these shapes easier, allowing you to play E minor and A minor forms. Focus on clear finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. Spend about 5 minutes on each chord change to build muscle memory. Now, let's get into the rhythm and strumming. A great pattern to start with is down, down, up, down, up. Try to emphasize the first downstroke of each measure to give it that driving feel. This song often moves at a brisk pace, around 128 beats per minute, so practice with a metronome. Consistency is key to making the rhythm sound tight and professional. To truly master, A Change Will Do You Good. Begin your practice sessions slowly with a metronome. Gradually increase the tempo as your fingers become more comfortable with the chord changes and strumming. Break the song into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps just 2 lines at a time, and perfect each one. Also, listen to the original recording often. It helps you internalize the song's unique feel and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.